In this video, you will get bite-sized lessons from this #1 bestseller book. I'm offering this lesson to you for free as part of my company's mission to help you reach your music dreams and have fun along the way. You will find the playlist with all videos from this course in the video description and comments. There may be information in previous videos that will make the video you are watching now easier to understand. I recommend watching the videos in order. Hi, I'm Dan Spencer, author of the Best Music Theory book for beginners. Over 5,000 people have purchased this book, pushing it to hit #1 bestseller in its category on Amazon. Finally, if you would like to get this #1 book, the workbook, for free, along with quizzes, interactive flashcards, and more bonuses, links are in the video description and in the comments. And now, here is the next lesson and the Best Music Theory course, Level 1. In this lesson, you are going to learn about the word tempo, what it means, how to use it, and also how it can actually be very confusing and very hard to tell what the tempo of a song actually is if you don't know music theory. So tempo is an Italian word that means time. The word tempo is used in music to describe how slow or fast a piece of music or musical phrase or little piece of music should be played. It is also used when listening to a piece of music to describe how fast it is being played. So when we talk about multiple tempos, the plural, so if we have more than one tempo, is actually tempi in formal language. Just like if you have one piece of spaghetti, it's actually a spaghetto. And if we have more than one spaghetto, we have spaghetti. If you have one little drawing on a wall, that's a graffito. If you have lots of drawings or a complicated drawing on a wall, that is graffiti. So in Italian, more than one is E and one is O. So tempo means one, tempi means more than one, but more often than not, you are going to hear musicians say tempos. So they take the word tempo, and then in English, we put S on the end of words when there's more than one of them. So we say tempos. Either one is correct. Everyone is going to understand what you mean when you say tempos. Only people who understand music theory or who have had some music education are going to understand what you mean when you say tempi. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to talk you through a couple of tempo examples. You're going to see that there's some videos under this one in this lesson. You're going to pause this video. You're going to go listen to each example and then come back to this. You don't need to listen to the whole song, maybe 20 or 30 seconds. So the first song to listen to is At Last by Etta James. So go ahead and pause this video, listen to At Last by Etta James, and then come back. Okay. That is a slow song. That is a slow tempo. Now listen to a medium speed tempo. Listen to Ho Hey by the Lumineers. Again, that video is right down there. Pause this, go listen to that, and then come back. Okay, so now you've listened to slow, medium. Now let's listen to something fast. Go down and listen to September by Earth, Wind, and Fire. Pause this, go listen, then come back. Remember, you don't need to listen to the whole song. Excellent. Okay, so you can hear pretty clearly that At Last, well, that's a slow-moving song. It's sort of like molasses. It's just rolling along real slow. Ho Hey, it's moving. It's kind of walking. It's grooving along. And then September, it's really moving quite fast. That's like someone power walking or jogging. It's moving quite quickly. Now we're going to listen to 3 more examples where it's not going to be quite so obvious how fast the piece of music really is. So let's start with an easy one. Go down and listen to Change Is Gonna Come by Sam Cooke. Pause this, go listen, then come back. Okay, now listen to Jump Start by Greg Howe. Pause this, go listen, come back. Now what you may have noticed with Jump Start is it feels like a fast tempo. It doesn't seem to be very medium. That thing feels like it's moving, doesn't it? It sounds fast. Now, here's the crazy one. Pause this, Go listen to Love is a Battlefield by Pat Benatar, then come back. Okay, now you've listened to Love is a Battlefield by Pat Benatar. Now, let me ask you this. Which one sounds faster to you? Jump Start, our medium speed by Greg Howe, or Love is a Battlefield, our fast one by Pat Benatar? If you said that Jump Start actually feels faster to you, that's actually kind of normal. A lot of people hearing these two examples say that Jump Start sounds to be faster than Love is a Battlefield. But if you go back and listen to the drums of Love is a Battlefield, they're actually going very, 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 very fast. You're going to learn in Module 2, Chapter 2, about why drums are so important to actually understand how fast of a piece of music is. I will see you in the next lesson. Oh, but it's not over yet. Click here to watch the next video lesson or up here for the full video playlist.